Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox not installing. The first thing you have to do is to just go to your browser and then try to download it again, download a new setup. Just click here and then just download it, and after that just install it again. And if that doesn't fix it, now you have to try restarting your PC, and if that also can't fix it, then all you have to do just go to apps and features and now go to Roblox, and now once you're here, click on Roblox and install it. And if you can't find it, just go back, and if you found it, all you have to do just uninstall it and go ahead and try installing it again. And now after that, if you can't find it in apps and features, type here run, go to app data, click OK. After that, go to local. Now scroll down until you find Roblox, and when you find it, all you have to do is just right click and delete it, and then your problem must be fixed. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like. See you in the next video.